everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Uzalo from the 17th to the 21st of August 2026 on Monday. A silent attack and a shocking death push Amantaliana to the edge while Nkunzi's frustration turns into desperation on Tuesday. Nkazimulo and Getcha ran for their lives with Amantaliane hot in their pursuit. Hau tried to bypass the clock block in vain and Spook is figure in front of an audience on Wednesday. Nkazimulo and Getcha are MIA. Sibongiseni's new personality causes a problem for him at home, and Gwanjurmane and Sholipi questions how about his love life on Thursday. With nowhere to left to hide, a chilling discovery pushes Nkunzi to the edge as fear for his grandson takes over. Nkazimulo and Getcha are forced into a deadly game of survival and embarrassing accident sends Fikile into a spiral she can't wash away on Friday. While tracking Nkazimulo and Getcha, Amantaliane are led to Babsizwe. How doesn't take rejection very well, and Sbu takes a whiff at Fikile. Well guys, that's all I have for today. Can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.